Hey everybody.
Boo! Did I get you?
You got me.
Okay.
We're back at Disneyland. Today we're gonna check out, we've heard rumors that even though it's only mid-August, the Halloween has begun here at Disneyland. They haven't put up the decorations. Mickey's Halloween party has not started. Actually, it's not even
You mean
Mickey's
Oogie Boogie's Bash, which
Yeah.
we're definitely going to. Stay tuned for that.
But some of the merchandise is out at the stores. So let's go see what we can find. Come with us on this adventure. So we've heard the Halloween merchandise is in the Disney Showcase store on Main Street. Let's go check it out. So I know we're looking for Halloween merchandise, but there's something here you came specifically for.
There's a Mickey Pumpkin Loungefly bag. It is everything in my life that I've ever dreamed of having. That's why I talked to you into coming today.
Let's see if we can find it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, look at this, it's a Halloween countdown.
I love it. Wow,
like
it
that.
starts, do you think it's really 83 days?
I don't know. Probably.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Well, here's some Halloween stuff over here. 2019 Halloween has begun here at Disneyland. They have a lot of glow-in-the-dark shirts, some sweatshirts, some ears. Oh, look at that, they have
Candy corn
ears.
Yeah, those are new.
Trick or treat.
Oh my god, is this for a dog or for a baby?
I think it's for a baby. You could put it on a dog.
I could.
Oh, look at this. Instead of Mickey Mouse Club, it's the Mickey Mouse Fang Club.
I love that. That's great.
They also have one for kids.
Or dogs.
Or dogs. Don't tell her. I don't think there's anybody buying these t-shirts for dogs, but she likes to believe that people buy them for dogs, so.
What was that?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking to me. Sorry.
We got some leggings, some pumpkin Mickey hats. We got the candy apple.
Oh, yeah. I think you put a candle in there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this lights up.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice.
So fashionable. So street. Candy corn is back in style.
Never went out of style.
It did.
You know what?
No one likes candy corn.
I like candy corn. I'm here to defend candy corn. It is so delicious.
If you don't like candy corn, hit that subscribe and smash that bell.
Okay, reverse psychology works.
What is that, like a trick or treat bag?
No, it's a garland. You like
Oh, yeah. What does it do? Turn purple?
Yeah. It's actually hard to do.
That is so cool.
Is that new this year?
What is this?
Oh, the most amazing shirt I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, wow.
It's so good.
What's on the back? Look at this. The sweatshirt has the name Daniel on it. Can you get your name like put on these sweatshirts? But apparently back here, that's what they do. Look what's inside there. Gigantic candy corn.
Oh my, is that what it is?
Oh, we got the Loungefly candy corn.
Candy corn bag. Oh my gosh, the candy corn zipper, 90 bucks.
I like how the zipper is like ombre.
Oh, wow.
Which one do you like?
What does it look like?
Got candy corn and Mickey pumpkins.
They got these new popular windbreakers, and this is a new Loungefly of the castle.
How much do you think it is?
I'm guessing $80.
Well, the Yoda one is $90, so.
I'm guessing $100.
Oh my god, you were right. It's $80.
Oh. It's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
How cute.
Is it supposed to be like Frankenstein? It's got the stitch. This is definitely Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein's monster.
Frankenstein.
But not Frankenstein.
Yeah, this is Frankenstein.
Yeah. They also have the other characters in costume. So there's like Mickey as Dracula, and there's Minnie as a witch. Pluto as a mummy.
I'm a really big fan of this witch mini holding the little cat. I think it's Figaro.
Look, it's Ku Klux Klan Mickey. Doesn't it look like it?
No, this is during the Halloween party. They have these ghost Mickeys. That's what it looks like.
I don't know, anybody under a white sheet these days.
It's a ghost. That's a classic Halloween costume. This is Frozen in a bottle.
It's nice and thin.
How do you describe Frozen?
Very strong perfume. Oh my god.
It's for men or for women?
I can't tell. I think it's unisex. I think Olaf wears this.
At the Mad Hatter, they have the full selection of Halloween hats here. Actually, it looks kind of cute.
Does it?
Yeah. Look at it in the mirror. Behind you, or behind me.
It does look cute.
I feel like if you lived in New York and it was always like...
I was just thinking, like,
cold.
instead of buying a beanie, you could buy this. So if we go somewhere cold this holiday, I know what I'm gonna wear.
I need a t-shirt like that.
I really like this one
Yeah.
a lot.
Oh, look at this Mickey Mouse tie-dye.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's pretty cool. Oh, hey, hey. I like that Disney every season just like invents a new color and then releases stuff in that color and then people buy it in that color.
So apparently they sold out of that Mickey backpack last night, just our luck.
Yeah.
So I guess they said go try to find it other places, so we're gonna go do that.
Now we're over at Disney California Adventure. We're gonna see if we can find any Halloween stuff over here. Looks like a bunch of the same stuff.
This is different.
Yeah. Didn't see this guy.
Is this the Headless Horseman?
Doesn't look like the Headless Horseman. I mean, it probably is. Look, they have a candy corn spirit jersey.
Found the spirit jersey. Is it finally time?
Is it finally time for you to buy a spirit jersey? Oh, look at the front.
So cute. I like it a lot.
Sparkly. And you like black. That's one of the reasons why you didn't get any spirit jerseys, because they're so colorful.
I do like black. I'm a big black lover. But it also is candy corn, my second love.
Yeah.
Black and candy corn. The way to my heart.
Look at that. Pumpkin spice frosted pretzels. We are very basic. We like the pumpkin spice stuff. We liked it before everybody else, though.
We did.
We did.
Whoa. $8.50. Is it worth it for pumpkin spice right now in August?
Oh, look at this candy corn popcorn. I wonder if it actually tastes like candy corn or it's just colored.
Wow. Dang, they really love candy corn this year. There's pieces of candy corn in it.
Oh, that's cool.
This first one we picked up, it doesn't like have any. Oh, heck yeah. Yum. That is a treat I can get behind.
We got a lenticular bag. What does the other side
Oh, I
say?
found out what Goofy is. He's the werewolf.
Yeah. Point me to the candy.
Nice.
You know what this is for? It's when you go to Oogie Boogie's Bash.
Yeah.
They don't give you a big enough bag, so you end up coming here and paying
Oh my god, it's $7.99.
$8 for this.
Worth it. So you know how Disney now owns Fox?
Yeah.
We've got Simpsons ears now.
It does look very similar to the Simpsons donuts.
Just saying.
Look at this. They have some Day of the Dead merchandise because of Coco, I'm sure.
No, they always celebrate Day of the
Did
Dead.
they?
Yeah.
I mean, they had the Day of the Dead section over at Disneyland, but did they have merchandise?
No, good question.
Look at that. They even have Day of the Dead ears.
Yeah.
Have you seen these new pins? It's almost like the pins that you can get at Town Hall or City Hall.
Oh, here we go.
I'm here for the Mickey bars.
No, I found one that's good for you.
What?
Here for all the rose gold, baby.
I'm here for the autographs. I wish I could pull off these retro t-shirts because they look so cool, but they're like see-through. This is the back of this one.
This one's my favorite.
What's the other side of this one? Oh my god, that's...
Yeah, it's so cool.
Do you think people are gonna get annoyed that we have a whole vlog of us looking at merchandise at Disneyland? Like, I like looking at merchandise at Disneyland.
Well, so do I, so I'm just assuming other people will too.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Tell us in the comments below. Okay, so now we're in downtown Disney. We're going to the World of Disney. See if we can find any other Halloween merchandise. I feel like these are new, and I like the comic book style of these. Look, they have a stuffed animal version
Of the ghost.
of the Boo to You. So we've been on the lookout for this Loungefly bag. It's one you desperately want. It's been sold out everywhere.
Yeah, they say it's gonna come back in stock in a few days. Just my luck.
Yeah. Over in World of Disney, they did have the Yoda backpack that's been sold out forever. And she wanted when we first saw it and has regretted never buying it. It's been sold out for months.
I still want it, but that...
Why don't we just get you that?
No, I want the pumpkin one, or I want them both.
Yeah.
But the pumpkin one like speaks to me on a level unlike anything I've ever seen in my life. I need it. I need it, I want it, I'm gonna have it. We're gonna come back, I'm gonna get it.
Okay, so they told us to go to the Disney dress shop.
They have the candy corn one.
Yeah, but they don't have the pumpkin. So that didn't work out.
We'll just have to come back.
We'll be back. D23.
Yeah, you're right, that is coming up. Stay tuned for that, by the way.
Yeah, we have like 3 months to get this thing.
Yeah, that's true. You're right, you're right. No.
Okay, I guess that does it for today's vlog. If you like this adventure, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our theme park stuff, what should they do?
Subscribe, please.
Yeah, hit that bell.
Great.
And we'll see you on the next one. You know, the one where she gets her, her Halloween.
Stay tuned for when I get my backpack.
Yeah, it'll be a great day.
Yes.